Well, hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be trying to convert a GoPro Hero 3 to full spectrum so I can use it ghost hunting. So basically what I did, obviously you need a GoPro Hero 3 Plus, Silver Plus, Black Edition, whichever. And you also need to order a Hero 2 lens, because if you use the lens in Hero 3, the UV filter is actually built into the lens and you can't take it out. But a Hero 2 lens, I don't know if you guys can see that, you get the tint of pinky purple there, it's actually on the end of this lens. So the idea is to get this off, remove this lens and replace it with this. Well, that's the plan anyway, so let's see if we can do it. So we need to remove this, lift it up a little bit, with some pliers, take the cap off, so this is actually glued in place, so you have to turn it quite tight and then it releases and then it should unscrew. There we go. So that's the inside. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put this upside down, just so that any dust doesn't get inside. So I'm just going to sort of put that there and lay that down. So if you can see in there, you can see like the glare of the pinkiness. It's actually built into the lens, infused into the lens. So not the same as that one, which is at the bottom there. So now the difficult job is actually getting this off. Now you could use a hairdryer to remove the adhesive, but I've been told this way works as well. But be careful to wear gloves, which I'm not, but also wear eye protection because bits of glass will break off everywhere. And there we go. That's quite easy actually. Now, I hope I haven't damaged anything internal for that. It's just the outside bit. So I'm scraping the outside just to get the glue bit off. So let's go back to the GoPro, let's give it a little blow in there to make sure there's no excess bits. And now the moment of truth is attaching the new lens. So there's no UV filter piece of glass on there, and it should now, in theory, be full spectrum, with the help of infrared lighting and illuminators. So now let's attach it to the camera and see what happens. So sometimes this seal will break, this little rubber seal that goes on the outside. Luckily for me it didn't break on this attempt, but I have seen other people when they've done this DIY conversion. They do break, but it's just a water seal, like moisture and dust and all that. And so there we go, it's all lined up again. And let's attach the Hero 2 lens that no longer has the UV filter on it. And let's put this outer coating back on, just put it on there like that. There we go. Now the moment of truth. If it has worked, let's turn the camera on. Turn the GoPro on. There we go. Obviously, at the moment we can't see because there's another screen on the back. But I'm going to do some recording now, and hopefully show you some footage of full spectrum. So as you can see, it's got a pink tinge, purple. This is because the UV filter has been removed and the lens is letting in all of the UV light. Sorry about the close-up. So there we are, guys. Really chuffed with that, with how it looks. Very simple, actually. Very impressed. Gonna do some more of these because I'll use it for ghost hunting, which is primarily what you would use night vision recording for anyway. In this day and age, full spectrum is now in session and ready to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like the video, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in a bit.